Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy from Opensea and Trustwallet. Let's start! So, Opensea, for those who are not familiar, is where you can find NFTs. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, if you want to, bid, yeah, NFTs can be auctioned actually nowadays. So you can actually go to OpenSea. And if you want to learn more about OpenSea, NFTs, Trust Wallet, cryptocurrency in general, please subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of video tutorials that you can learn from and you can earn more from cryptocurrency world. So going back to Trust Wallet, first things first, just make sure that your browser here is enabled. There's another tutorial that we have that for you on how that's activated. So just click on this one and it would give you a website, or a cell where you could actually put the URL. So going to OpenSea, yes, I already have it on my history, but yes, it's opensea.io. Just go there and, just like you're, going to a regular website. So that's how you do it in Trust Wallet. So if you can see here, there's a lot of sellers for these NFTs, and you can do that. Just select. So just give me a moment here. Um, there's also a way for you to connect your wallet. So say for instance, if you don't have any profile yet, you can actually connect your wallet. So in my case, I would want to connect my Trust Wallet here. So just click on that, and when you do that, in my case, I've already, like, there's like options in there just to fill in, to sign rather, for you to be connected to OpenSea. So when you go back and if you wanted to, buy or, bid an NFT collectible, so I just randomly choose one here. So if I would want to buy this one, so just click on that and then see, there's the price, 0.75 Ethereum, and then add to cart or make an offer if you do want to do a bid. So there. So I hope you learned something today. If you do so, if you like my video, please hit thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.